Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about this fantastic new watch face with some great customization options. So the name of this watch face is Q135 and it's a beautiful looking watch face. So it's analog, but there is also digital time in the background, which is one feature that I really like about this. And then it is designed really well, very modern and beautiful looking. And then if we go into the always on display version, you can see that you get to see the analog time, but there is a shadow of the digital time in the background as well. So the main thing is visible really well, and that's what I like. So if we go in the customization options, the first thing that you'll see is the color combinations, and there are a lot of color combinations to choose from. Some of them I really like. So this yellow one is really cool. This red one is different from this one. So there are a lot of options to choose from, and then there are some accent colors that add color to the background, so that's totally different, changes the look of the watch face completely. This one is also really cool. The one that I really like is this yellow, so I'm gonna go with that. Then we have kilometer and miles, so you can switch the distance between kilometers and miles if you want. And then we have second hand gray or red. So this is the second hand, you can go for red or gray. So I'm gonna go with red. And then finally you have the option to add 1 2 3 4 5 6 complications on this watch face. And then we already have some elements built into it, like we have battery built into it, heart rate built into it, steps are there. But on top of that you can add these 5 or 6 more complications. So if we go in complications, there are a lot of options to choose from. Actually, you know what, let's go ahead and configure it so you can see how it looks with all the complications. I'm gonna go with daily activity here, sleep right here, and here we already have the calendar. So now if we go back, this is the new look of the watch face. It looks absolutely beautiful, modern and feature rich, and I really like this watch face. I'll put the link in the description. It's a paid watch face, so if you like it, go ahead and support the developer so that we can continue to get more beautiful and amazing watch faces from this community. And that's about it from this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.